Alright, so this is the couple little projects I've got going. You'll see there's two things on here. One is a night guard and one's a personal project. So you can see right here, it's actually essentially an NTI type appliance. You can see the little ramp, and it's an upper canine to canine. And then this right here is actually a personal project. I've already started part of the print, and this is actually for my daughter. Another one of the little things I've trying to make life easier for us. You can see it's actually a hinge. I don't want to touch it because it's still kind of covered in resin, but it'll attach there. And this is actually a wall mount. So I can attach this to the wall, have this out here. And with this is just your standard little GoPro stick for recording. And I designed it to attach to this. So now she has a feeding tube in her belly, and we have something that basically it's a large 60 ml syringe that attaches to her feeding tube so that air can release from her stomach. Anyway, long story, but the idea is she has this hanging over top of her, but now I will be able to actually have it extend, go different places, and pivot on the wall, whereas before it's always been rigidly fixed. And I'll probably share some pictures later on online to kind of just show how that works. But again, just trying to make life a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these prints off. Some prints are pretty easy, not always the case. Sometimes they go really quickly. This is a pretty nice instrument. It's actually a carpentry instrument, but it works really well. It's very sharp, so you want to be careful. This is basically a jug or a jar of alcohol. See it start to peel away just ever so lightly, and at that point I stop applying a lot of pressure because I'm not trying to send it shooting across the room. Large prints are much more difficult. There are sometimes I'll actually even break the supports, remove it, and then get that off because I don't want to flex the actual object. But I'll see if I can remove it all in one fell swoop. But you can see it's elevating. I'll come around here, continue to have it elevate. And the thing about large objects like this is they do tend to all release at once, and it goes flying across the room. So that's pretty well off. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So I'll go ahead and first I just like to make sure there's no cured resin still on the build platform to end up contaminating the fingerprints and the tank of resin. I'll wipe that off in a second. Close this up. Lots of different ways to shake it. One is just to physically shake it, and one's to use other instruments to actually agitate the water or the alcohol. But this will sit in here for about 10 minutes. Then I'll put it in a UV light to full cure and be done. That's it.